The next assignment is our pizza builder for our client, who is Parker's Pretty Good Pizza. May not be the best, but it's pretty good. They like an app for their clients to build their own pizzas, choosing between 3 different sizes of personal, medium, and large. And the price for a cheese pizza is shown as $5.50 for personal, $7.25 for medium, $10 for large. The choice that they make here is reflected down at the bottom. So if I go to medium, it shows $7.75. If I go to personal, it shows $5.50. Now I can also add in toppings. So maybe I want pepperoni, black olives, and mushrooms, and you'll see the price reflected there with those toppings. And the table here shows the price for each of the toppings based on the size, whether it's personal, medium, and large. And of course, a large pizza is going to take more pepperoni than a personal pizza will. If I make some choices as far as the toppings, I'm going to add in some extra cheese here. Notice it added $1, so $9.45 for that personal. But if I go to the medium now, we'll see the price reflected for that base price of $7.25 plus the $1.75 plus $2.45 plus 95 cents plus $1.05. And we get $13.95 for a medium with extra cheese, pepperoni, black olives, and mushrooms. Same if I go to large, that price is automatically updated. Then we have some buttons at the bottom where we can choose some common pizzas, such as if I just want a cheese pizza, it's going to uncheck all of the checkboxes that were selected and take me back to the cheese price. I can choose the special pizza, which is pepperoni, sausage, and mushrooms. So here the large is $18 and the personal is $9.45. If I choose Hawaiian, I'm going to get Canadian bacon and pineapple. And then finally there's a veggie, which gives me bell peppers, black olives, mushrooms, and onions. Once we've made a selection of the pizza size and toppings that we want, we can click the Submit button. And it brings up an alert telling us what we've ordered, what size, what the toppings are, the price, and asks if that is correct. If we say yes, then at this point all it does, it gives us a snack bar at the bottom. And the snack bar, if you missed it, was yum, we'll get your pizza baking. If, however, I chose no, then I'm told to please make changes and resubmit. So the idea is, on the submit where we choose yes, maybe that's going to send an order in over the cloud to Parker's Pretty Good Pizza, and they can begin building your pizza and get it delivered. We'd probably also want to have a screen here that comes up with, client information, delivery information, that sort of thing. For now, we're just building the pizza builder. And again, if I choose Hawaiian, large, submit, I've ordered a large pizza with Canadian bacon and pineapple. Is this correct? I say yes. So that's our app. I'm in the process of creating the videos to support this, including videos on alert dialogues, checkboxes, and radio buttons. I'll do a video on how I populated a table with Kotlin code. So all I did was create the table in my interface, and then in code I created all the rows with all the pricing information. That way it makes it easy if we need to go back and update pricing information. There's just one function that does all that. Everything here as far as the radio buttons, the checkboxes, and the buttons that change the checkboxes all utilize one function that calculates the price based on the prices shown here. This assignment assesses your ability to create an advanced interface using nested layouts. So I have a table layout inside of a constraint layout, what I used for the root. But you could easily use a linear layout for your root layout. But then I also have a horizontal linear layout for the radio buttons, as well as a horizontal linear layout for the pizza buttons at the bottom. And then the very bottom of the price and the submit button, those were just simply constraints. We'll also use radio buttons and radio groups to make the radio buttons mutually exclusive. We'll use checkboxes where the user can check multiple items. All of these radio buttons, checkboxes, and the pizza buttons can call a single function, making your coding much easier to update that price. We'll use an alert dialog, and that alert dialog will also incorporate a snack bar or toast for pop-up messaging. And we'll format our output string to currency or 2 decimal places. So that's our project. I hope you have fun with this. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the Android App Development Cohort playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos that I create, you can click my picture up in the top right and subscribe to the channel.